Koyos gets away from his opponents, and Koyos! And they are pulling clear here.
Boya. Good take, it goes for goal! Goal! Barcelona! First blood drawn. A high quality goal, lovely first touch, something. Marcelo. Redmond, and he's on his what shapes to shoot! It's a goal! Denied the opportunity to turn. Messi! Oh, taken with style. Just the pick-me-up the whole game needs. Great consequence in this part of the world. They've been talking about this one for a while, and they have rolled up to it in fantastic numbers. You should have seen the roads outside the ground in the hour or two leading up to it. It has been bumper to bumper, the traffic has been... Firmino! It's in! Some of the best managers I've played insisted on starting games as he knew to go on. Well, from right in front of goal, there was no way he was going to miss. Yeah, all engineered, Peter, by some smart running and movement. That's already something to admire, but how about the pass? Just wonderful. Loved it. Barcelona didn't expect this, that's for sure. What can they do now? It's a brilliant interception. It's a loose ball. Firmino. It's up. He's gone for it. It's a goal. And with the match still in its infancy, they are easing away.
What happened?
The first touch was absolutely heavenly, and because of it, the finish was a mere formality. Liverpool have a couple of goals without reply. It's 2-0. Well, they're very much the better team at the moment, Peter, and no doubt will be lucky to cause even more damage here. The ball needed to be better there. It's a wasted chance. Now it's Messi. King's one through here. Longley positions himself well and cuts it out. The defence can get it clear. Done very well to intervene. Mane. Shade too heavy. Keeper can pick that up. Tries to get it forward quickly. Barcelona ran themselves into the proverbial cul-de-sac there. And the flag has... And Mane! Good run, lovely take, but that is where it stopped. That was created because of good, lively movement, which pretty much dictated the pass. That's Roberto Firmino. It's offside. Yes, it is.
Tadam madam.
Given offside once more.
Tadam madam. Mau huli, ang matatagag din.
DK.
Apa?
Jordi Alba. And here's Griezmann. Fabinho. Firmino. He spotted the run and played it through. It could be in. Has a hit! They are rampant! And surely that settles it. Perfect placement. The one place the keeper couldn't reach. Now that's what I call finishing. Right in the waste-standing time, weighing things up. That's a cracking goal.
3 without reply. This is becoming a stroll. Messi.
Oh, pick ruak di mana dulu?
Fabinho. That's Firmino.
Jordan Henderson.
Has he picked him out?
Longley.
Liverpool get it back again. Going through. And it's played forward. Mane. Firmino. Wijnaldum. Mane provides an outlet. Massively! In it goes! All too easy! They are in danger of disappearing out of sight!
Looking back at that, that's how you play on the counter. Quick and decisive and ruthless with the finish. I thought it was a stunning breakaway.
The first 45. The action is back underway. Barcelona didn't have a great first half. They need a change of fortune. De Paul, it's a real chance! It's broken loose. Alisson trying to get there. Matic goes looking. Could move up a gear here. Good idea, just poorly executed. Ruffled a few feathers, but well dealt with.
Pelan online dan nak ngambu.
And here's Suarez. Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger.
Kan apa ini? Di mana atas?
Oh, good interception. He's got away. Mohamed Salah! Loses his balance and loses the ball. It's Salah! Mohamed Salah. Firmino. Timely intervention. Forward it goes. Pass needed to be better than that, and he knows it. Alexander-Arnold. Now it's Roberto Firmino. He's made sure that that won't get through. Hoists it forward. Keita. Truthfully, it was hard to see any better outcome there. And it's Rakitic. Well weighted. Luis Suarez! Fabinho. Half an hour gone in the second half. Ball through needs to be good here. And he's away. And Firmino! Oh, he really got hold of that.
Firmino really drove at the heart of that defence. Incisive, quick, but not clinical.
It's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. Fabinho, who has made his impact already. Luis Suarez, Messi, he's gone for goal! And he's kept it out, that's a great save.
Barcelona just served up a reminder of how good they can be on the break. Their method is clear.
Well played, he saw that coming. Now it's Messi. Fabinho. Keita. Firmino plays it out to the wing. Now it's Roberto Firmino. He's going for goal! And that may well be that. That is that. Out-muscled, outmaneuvered, outwitted. And he just couldn't find any